Hello everyone. Today, we will take a look at DIY proof of concept project Tiny GSM based long range spy device which is published on electronicsforyou.com. A link to the project is in the description of this video. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi spying devices are quite common. However, they have a significant limitation. They don't work over long distances. But what if you could listen to conversations from anywhere, even from another country? This is where GSM-based spying devices come into play. Imagine a tiny gadget, only 3 centimeters in size, equipped with a SIM-800L GSM module. Small enough to hide easily but powerful enough to transmit audio over long distances without limitations. Engineers who design circuits, build IoT devices, and program microcontrollers can develop this device. Additionally, security experts can ensure it is used legally. Startups or research teams focusing on security technology can also build this device. Ready to find out how it works? Here's our setup. A call is initiated automatically when surveillance is necessary, as demonstrated here. You may be wondering, how can you make this device? Fortunately, you can assemble it with very few components. Let's take a look at what you need. IndusBoard Coin acts as the central controller, managing communication and processing data. SIM-800L GSM module enables long-range communication by transmitting audio over cellular networks. Microphone module captures audio for transmission via the GSM network. Voltage regulator steps down the battery voltage to provide stable power for the components. SIM card required for enabling GSM communication and making receiving calls. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including the IndusBoard, GSM module, battery, microphone, voltage regulator, and SIM card on the breadboard. Once the circuit is assembled, we will write code using the Arduino IDE. First, define the pins to which the GSM module is connected. In the setup function, begin the serial monitor and initiate serial communication with the GSM module. Also, enable caller ID notifications. In the infinite loop function, check for incoming calls and verify if the caller's number matches your authorized number. Finally, select the correct port and board to upload the code. Upon demonstration, you will receive a test call. Voila, it works. What did you learn today? How to use the GSM module to transmit audio over long distances. How to work with the IndusBoard Coin for a small and efficient design. How to connect a microphone to capture and transmit sound. How to set up a phone number for remote listening. Interested in developing your own tiny GSM-based long-range spy device? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.